In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively filter cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap to find exactly the information you need. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started in the world of cryptocurrencies, having the ability to tailor the data to your specific needs can provide a significant edge. So let's dive in and see how we can filter this information with ease. First, you'll want to open CoinMarketCap, a leading platform that provides comprehensive data for cryptocurrencies from around the world. If you haven't used it before, don't worry. It's user-friendly and a favored go-to for crypto enthusiasts everywhere. Once you're on the homepage and see the extensive list of available coins, the next step is to focus on the filters, a powerful tool for narrowing down your options to only what truly interests you. Look towards the top of the coin list, and you'll find the filters option. Clicking on this will open up a world of customization that allows you to refine the data based on your unique needs and interests. Now, let's explore the options available to you in the Filters menu. You'll first notice the Visible Coin Range filter. This is crucial if you're interested in seeing a specific slice of the market. You can streamline the list to the top 100 coins, the top 500, or opt to display all coins. This choice might depend on whether you're aiming to focus on major players or if you want to explore a broader range. Next, we have the Networks filter, which allows you to refine the list by blockchain network. You may choose from popular options such as Ethereum, BNB Chain, Solana, and many others. This choice might be important if you're specifically interested in coins operating within a certain blockchain ecosystem. Following that, the Category filter is another tool at your disposal. This filter offers categories like DeFi, gaming, artificial intelligence, and meme coins, among others. Each category can present a different investment opportunity, depending on your interests or current market trends. You can also use the exchange filter to refine your search based on the platforms where the coins are listed. This can help if you prefer trading on certain exchanges or want to explore coins supported by specific platforms. Additionally, we have more quantitative filters like market cap and fully diluted valuation. You can set minimum and maximum values to see coins that only fit within a specific capital range, offering a precise look at market standings or growth potential. The price change filter for the last 24 hours provides insights into recent performance trends, while the volume and volume change filters allow you to consider trading activity, both useful metrics for understanding market dynamics. Once you've chosen all the appropriate filters for your search, simply click Apply Filters. This will update the list, showing only the coins and data that meet your criteria. Filtering with these parameters can help you stay informed and make strategic decisions in the ever-evolving cryptocurrency market. Thanks for watching today's guide, and I hope you found it both engaging and informative. Happy investing! Happy!